Hello. In this video, we will learn how to book admin expense bill book in two methods. One against PO or work order, against admin PO or admin work order, and second without admin PO and admin work order. So let us start with the method one, how to book admin expense bill book with against admin PO or work order. So to book admin expense bill, you need to navigate to accounts payable module and open the form admin expense bill book. Then select your date, voucher date, on which date you are going to book that expenses. Then project name, under which project you are going to book that bill. Then name of the party or vendor, whatever against which vendor you are going to book. So once you will select the vendor, now system is asking for main bill number, the main bill number of that particular vendor. So I have put a random, then bill date and due date. If there is any credit period, then you can provide due date as well. Then here is a option to of checkbox receipt against purchase order or work order. So as we are booking this bill against admin PO, so I will tick over here. Once I will tick over here, now system will populate two options. System open two options. One is admin PO number and second is admin receipt, which we have already booked earlier, right? So now I will provide admin PO number over here. I have selected the PO number. Then I will select the receipt as well. Once I will select admin receipt and expense ledger, under which expense ledger we are going to book this bill, then system will automatically fetch the detail of this PO and GRN over here. As you can see, the item is laptop, quantity is 5, rate is 45,000, and the expense total expense amount is 2,25,000. HSN code, tax code, everything is coming from where? Everything is coming from the admin PO. This from this number, from this admin PO number. Admin PO form is already available in accounts payable module where we have raised the PO. So all of these details are coming from this admin PO, right? Now I will select the GST number of this vendor, and now my bill is ready to be booked. I will put the narration over here, and once I will save, now system is showing a pop-up that you haven't deducted any TDS on this bill. So suppose if this is a service bill and you want to deduct TDS on it, then you need to click on more detail and you need to select TDS deduction as yes. By default it is no. Once you will select it as yes, system will deduct TDS under this action category mentioned in this vendor. So in this vendor we have mentioned contractor, subcontractor. So system is deducting 1% of TDS because it is a proprietary NCO non-company. So system is deducting 1% TDS on this principal amount, and the TDS amount is this. So if you want to deduct TDS as well, then you need to select TDS reduction as yes, where in more detail tabs. So currently, as it is not a service bill, I am selected it as reversing it as a no, and I am saving this voucher. So this is method one. Method one against admin PO. Now, if you want to book a bill against method 2, means without admin PO, then you need to book it similarly. Just you need to avoid this checkbox. You don't need to select this checkbox and these details. In second case, you have to mention the expense ledger and the quantity, rate, HSN code, and all details manually. You have to fill these details manually. This deal is which was fetching automatically from the admin PO number. In case of method second, if you are going to book admin expense bill without admin PO, then you need to fill it down manually, all details. Rest of the things would be same. Thank you. Now the admin expense bill book process is completed.